Happy anniversary, Amma. Wish you the best for another year for Academy.
It just feels like yesterday, and here we are venturing into yet another year at the academy. I have seen Nandini up close, transforming into the guru she is today. From being a housewife to an influencer, a public figure who is looked upon by her students, touching all those lives with her knowledge and positivity. It cannot be done by all. So it definitely takes a special woman to, a special lady to do that all. So I am very proud of her for what she has achieved, and I'm very positive there is still a very long way to go. And as she establishes her legacy on the hearts of all the students here at the Ninth Count Dance Academy. Wish you yet another successful year, Nandini, and all the best.
Best wishes, Nandini. Let ninth count and you reach greater heights and you may get more laurels. Best wishes. God bless you. Our wishes are always with you.
கண்ணே, மகள் தந்தைக்கு ஆற்றும் உதவி இவள் தந்தை எண்ணொற்றான் கொள்ளணும் சொல். இதுக்கு அர்த்தம் தெரியுமா சாமி? மகள் நல்லா எவ்வளோ நல்ல உச்சிக்கு வந்தால் பெற்றோர்களுக்கு எவ்வளோ சந்தோஷம் இருக்கோ அந்த சந்தோஷம் எனக்கு அம்மாவுக்கு இருக்குது கண்ணு. ஆல் த பெஸ்ட் கண்ணு. காட் பிளஸ் யூ அண்ட் சாமி கண்ணு. ஓகே.
Hello everyone. This is Dr. Arun Kumar and Parvati Kumar of Lakeview Farm, and we are extremely happy to send our blessings and wishes to Nandini on celebrating 8 years of running the school in Lakeview Farm. It's a privilege for us to have her amidst and continue her vocation of teaching Bharatanatyam to so many youngsters. She's a very special kind of person who gives 150% of her time. She never thinks of her health or anything else except teaching. She's always very bubbly, happy to teach each and every one, and we wish her very good health and continued perseverance on this of this occasion, which is a great asset to Indian community. And my wife also joins me in wishing Nandini very healthy life.
Hi Nandini, this is Parvanti. I want to wish you all the best. You've been just like my daughter all these years. You have been an amazing example to all the young kids. You have taught them what it is to be dedicated and to pursue your dreams. It is just amazing, and it gives us greatest pleasure that you have been a part and parcel of Lakeview Farm. I can't think of Lakeview Farm without you. You are just one amazing person, a great example, and just like that we see you have given so much to the kids. All of them come there so bubbly and happy. Your laughter, your humor, your enthusiasm you have passed to the kids. So all of them come there not to just learn. They come there because they enjoy being around you and working with you. You have been more than a mentor to them. You have been like their big sister, teaching them the art that is going to be with them forever and ever. All our blessings.
All our blessings to you, Nandini.
All our blessings
and
to you.
We are always behind you, supporting you, and help you in any manner we can. Thank you so much for being a part of Lakeview Farm.
God bless you.
God
bless you with a happy, healthy, long life.
Hi Nandini, wish you a very happy birthday. Hope this year brings a lot of joy, success and happiness to you. One thing I like about you is you're so full of energy and positivity no matter what the circumstances are. Hope you be like this forever and best wishes with you. Happy birthday once again.
Very happy anniversary to the 9th Count Dance Academy. The Academy has accomplished a lot over the years under the able guidance of Nandini ma'am. Wishing all the students and ma'am much more achievements in the years to come.
We came to your class to learn and grow, but what touched us the most is the love that you have shown.
Hi Nandini, I am happy to be part of this special occasion. You taught us that dance comes from the heart and you need to love it from whatever you possess. You also shown us that blood doesn't define family, and within the time we have known each other, we have become a true family. And of course, dancers are true family. I wish you and 9th Count more and more success and accomplishments, and wish 9th Count to grow bigger and bigger into a family of art lovers.
Hi Nandini, Anita here. My heartfelt wishes in celebrating the anniversary of 9th Count Dance Academy. 9th Count is a place where I realized that age is a mere number, and you made me to dance after a break of nearly 12 years. Nothing can beat your positive attitude and the energy that you had. All that we can hear from you was, come on, let's do it. We are doing this. That's really amazing. The creativity that you had in you made every audience enjoy every single performance. I'm so proud of being a part of 9th Count Dance Academy. Thank you.
Hello Nandini ma'am, I hope you're doing very well, and here's wishing you a very hearty congratulations and a very happy birthday on the Dance Academy, completing 8 years today. I have very fond memories of Bangalore because of the Dance Academy, and really honored times to have spent with you on all the various special occasions that I could perform with you in the Academy. So here's wishing you congratulations once again, and lots of love and success in the coming years. And thank you for giving me lovely memories to keep with me all while long and all lifelong. Thank you so much. Much love to you from Dubai. Take care.
Dear Nandini, I want to send you best congratulations for the anniversary of the 9th Count Dance Academy. Today is a really special day for you, and I want to congratulate and wish you all the best. I often remember back the nice times I had in Bangalore and you teaching me all these beautiful dances, and I really miss it. And I hope that we will see each other soon again. And today I send you congratulations and all the best.